What's up, y'all? Back with another bike video today. It's just myself because Farron's still out of commission, and I don't really have anything to talk about today or anything to do, so we'll just see how it goes. At this point in the video, I'd like to say leave a like and subscribe. Oh, I just got speed bubbles. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below for any future content ideas that you guys may have, and I'll be sure to keep them in mind. Sorry if I haven't been regularly uploading. I've got, again, a bit of school stuff going on, but on top of all the schooling stuff, I am trying to balance YouTube. I try and upload photos onto my Instagram occasionally, so I'll leave a link in the description if you all want to check that out, and I'll leave a link to my TikTok as well. I don't have much on there, just a few videos for now, but it'll be like a mini channel at some point. But yeah, I'll leave a link to those two in the description. Make sure you go check those out. Low key, gonna grab a monster and some beef jerky, because that combo is like amazingly good, and I haven't had a monster in ages. I'm craving one. Okay, got the beef jerky. Open these with the gloves on because I can't be bothered. Wow. I'm gonna finish those once I find somewhere to sit, because from my dead body I'm riding or eating. Yo, what a bird. Love me some beef jerky. Also, I feel like it's gonna rain. Like, look at this. It's very ominous. I better go before another car comes. Ooh, mud. It's alright, I'm wearing a black shirt. Ugh! Yucky. Icky yucky. So, no real progress on the conversion kit yet. I haven't been able to find any work because I'm unemployed currently, single from jobs, so I gotta find another job and get some work in. Are there any cars? Is there actually? No, there's no cars. Not very often that happens. I'm like extremely antisocial, and I don't like people. So if there is people at the Scotty Park, I'm not going in. Oh man, there's people there. Damn it, I heard someone's bike brakes. To which clearly need to be oiled, because that is some squeaky stuff. Please. Oh wait, I know a spot from the video I did with Patrick and Harry, and it should be fairly quiet because it's after school time. I just hope it doesn't pour rain on me, because that would be not nice. my suspension's gotten better. Like, tenfold better. Well, for me anyways. And I have been trying to practice my wheelies and stuff. To which I am doggy doo-doo, by the way. So, I wouldn't expect any, like, over-the-top stunts from me. You may see me hit jumps now and then. Not many though, because I'm a wuss. But otherwise, yeah. Don't expect anything from me. This is like one of the most chill roads on the mountain. The only downside is it's near the rubbish tip. That's quite literally the only downside. I feel like I can keep hearing cars, but I can't. Well, it's not like I can't hear cars, it's just that they're not there. Holy potholes. Oh, I don't like this because I can't really see the potholes because of the darkness. Yeah. Holy dooly. They're so sick. Yeah. Oh my days! Look at this. It's scenic and beautiful. Mwah. It's a perfecto. Sorry to any Italian or Spanish people watching. No offense. But golly! A scenic. That's like rain cloud. Well, not rain clouds. It's the sun shadowing on these clouds. But like if it was raining, I could see it. Like there's rain all the way out there. I'm gonna have my monster and my jerky and grab a few photos of the bike. You'll see those on my shorts if you want the pictures and videos of the bike. And my Insta. I'll put them on my Insta too. There's some people pulling up, so I'm gonna dip from the crib. It's nice while it lasted. Go check out the photos on my Insta, or the photo I should say. I only grabbed one. And then, now they're leaving. Right as I'm ready to go, of course. It's so windy! My lord! Oh, again with these potholes I've forgotten. Ooh. Ew. Not nice. Like, look at that! Look at that too! I swear to God. Australian potholes are not to be messed with. I mean, like, Indian potholes are bad. What the hell is going on with my chain? Like, Indian potholes and like the roads over there, oh, they're way worse than Australian. But like, the thing about Australia is that the roads like barely ever get fixed, and if they do, they're still not fixed properly. Like they just don't fix the roads. Fix the roads. Like it's manic. They slow down for me. Some cars won't slow down you, and they'll just keep going. Like if it's a road like this. And the amount of times I have nearly been hit by a car, just riding on the side of the road like this, like keeping out of the lane so cars can pass me. Like here comes another car, and I'm gonna slow down, so that they know I know that they're there. See, they slowed down. Well, they might have already been going that speed. But look, here's another car. What? Hold on, why are there so many cars? I'm gonna go up this way because there's a heap of cars coming for an ungodly reason, to which I am not told about. I don't know. Like, brother, it's not that serious. I don't know, I'll pop down here anyways. Okay. Sweet. Got pigeons. Pigeons are like one of my favorite birds. Pigeons are like so underrated. And it's crazy how underrated they are. Am I safe? I am safe. Oh, so many people. And so many cars. Why? Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna pop over here because I don't want to block up the intersection for cars. Oh god. Ugh. I need to tension my brakes. I just heard my brakes squeal. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you do make it to the end, you have my thanks. Leave a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section for anything y'all want me to do. Besides stunts, because I suck at those, and I'm gonna kill myself if I do. But holy lineup. Jesus. I bet you that's because of one car turning as well. But, yes. Thank you all ever so much for watching. And I hope to see you, yes you, the person watching this video, in the next one. Thanks. Bye.